Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy beer at home. We'll start by focusing on the foundational principles of healthy homebrewing. This means prioritizing natural ingredients, carefully controlling fermentation, and aiming for a moderate alcohol content, typically below 5% alcohol by volume. Remember, meticulous sanitation is absolutely crucial to prevent any unwanted off flavors and ensure a clean, healthy final product for you to enjoy. Next, let's talk about selecting your ingredients. High-quality malted barley forms the backbone of your beer, providing essential nutrients and complex flavors. Fresh, aromatic hops contribute both bitterness and natural preservative qualities. It's also vital to choose a robust yeast strain that ferments efficiently and cleanly. For added body and beneficial fiber, consider incorporating wholesome adjuncts like oats or rye into your recipe. Mastering fermentation is key to a healthy beer. Maintain consistent temperatures, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Allow sufficient time, typically around 2 weeks, for your yeast to consume all the sugars completely. Monitoring specific gravity helps ensure full attenuation, preventing unwanted residual sweetness. Finally, minimize oxygen exposure after fermentation to protect your beer from oxidation and maintain its fresh taste. For the finishing touches, aim to bottle or keg your beer without adding extra priming sugar if you can. Store your finished beer in a cool, dark place to best preserve its freshness and delicate flavors. For optimal taste and quality, it's generally best to consume your homemade brew within a few months. Also, consider natural carbonation methods, which can be a healthier alternative to forced carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.